Alright guys, I sorry I look really bad right now because it's raining. Well, technically it just stopped raining for a little bit, but we're actually moving. We don't have a lot of stuff left to move out. My dad and Brendan are pretty much doing everything right now. It's raining outside too. So far this is what we have in the car. So we have like third quart of it still left, and then we have to take all of this stuff to Brennan's house because the moving company is going to come in early tomorrow morning. I have an emergency bag just in case because we're going to drive up there because we have the dog, and then yeah, we say our farewells to all of our friends and family out here, and that's it. We even got the license plate that says Arizona. What? And I thought this is going to be really small, but honestly there's actually a lot of space in this U-Haul. We were able to fit 2 couches. I have like 15 boxes in there, a mattress, and then like some other miscellaneous things. And then, oh, actually we have a table in there too. Right now I'm on my way to Brennan's house. I'm actually gonna help him unload the truck, even though I can't really lift that much right now. But I'm just going to kind of help him out because I don't want him to do it all by himself. And then a few of our friends are also gonna meet us there to help us unload, especially the fridge. So that's that. I need to come home, take a shower, and take a nap because we're gonna go out tonight with our friends, kind of as like our last hurrah with our friends. Yeah, honestly, like I'm very sad. Like surprisingly, like I saw a lot of people that I knew today just while I was doing errands, and you know, they were all very surprised that I'm actually moving to Washington, but I started getting teared up. I also want to say thank you to all of our friends and family friends that have donated to us, and they've been very generous. And you know, we really do appreciate it. As first time us, it's like we're literally like it's literally our first time moving out from home, you know, and we have a house, so you know all of those expenses are going to build up. So I do really appreciate everyone who gifted us either a gift card or something that will be useful for the house. I went to go pick up a mattress at Eileen's house, and her mom was there and Eileen wasn't there, and she started crying, and you know that really just got to my feels because I pretty much grew up with Eileen. Okay guys, we're at Famous Dave's right now. Came to eat with the fam before we leave. Got Jessica, my uncle, my dad over there, my mom, and we got BB over there. This is our last dinner before we go home, before we leave. So, good morning. It's 5 in the morning, so we're gonna get started with the whole packing. Parentals are up. Let's get situated.
What's up? You want some, Maritza?
Bye, baby. I'm gonna miss you. Gonna miss you, Papa. I'm gonna miss you too. Look at Skippy all bundled up. You're so cute. I'm gonna miss you, Papas. Alright guys, good morning. We are at the car rental place, but we're currently going through a little situation right now. I guess what happened with the car was that, well, it's almost like 7:30 right now. We were supposed to leave 30 minutes ago. We're at the car rental place. We still have to go home and to finish packing up, but I don't know exactly what happened with the car rental, but some shit went down. And good news is that we got everything situated. We got a better deal because we're dropping it off in Portland. So we're driving from Oakland to Portland to drop off the car over there. So we got a free day. That's the good part. Brendan has gotten a lot of points, so we're now going to go choose the car, and then we're going to go home, pack, like literally just load the car and just head out. Okay, so we just got our car. I had to drive Brennan's car back home, and he's driving a van. We got a Toyota RAV4, and I'm so happy that we got that because apparently online they're only letting us drive like a full, like a mid-sized car, but we have a lot of shit that we're taking in our car. Plus we have Canon, and Canon is huge, and we needed for sure like an SUV looking car. We're on our way back home. Honestly, you guys, that was kind of nerve-wracking. I was like, oh my god, we're not off to a good start. Guys, car is all packed. Hopefully nothing falls out. Whoa. Oh my god.
You guys have been here for hours. Just like.
Yeah, we got here. Bye, Zany! Bye, Zany!
Right onto East Castro Valley Boulevard.
You ready?
I think
You
so.
ready?
Love you, babe.
Love you too. You see Cannon in the back?
Yeah.
It is a nice day. Hey, Bubba's. Hey, Bubba's.
Alright.
You want to put your little documentary, Brennan? Give me a little.
So, we're riding through Shasta right now. It's the first time Cannon's ever seen snow. Cannon. He's too
We
busy,
should
but
probably take him out for the snow, but then we have to clean him, bring him back.
I'm a bad husky owner. He's 8 years old and has never seen snow. But some of these mountains are pretty crazy. Look at Mount Shasta. Has a lot of pow. Wait for it. Wait for it.
We'll do the trip.
Boom. Look at it. Damn. Oh man, this is Cannon's longest car ride ever. Look at all that fur on the seat. Damn. Damn.
It's actually a really nice picture right here.
It's pretty nuts. It's crazy how much snow's on there. Time to get my helicopter, fly to the top and shred down that gnar. Alright guys, Cannon's about to touch snow for the first time. Cannon! You see that stuff, dude? Hey! Oh boy, he's excited. He's pretty excited.
He's like, is it normal to go pee over there? You lost your marbles, man. Go in the snow. This is your habitat. This is your habitat, man.
First pee in the snow.
Well, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Gonna curl down right now. Well, guys, you guys never seen me with glasses before, but I had to put them on because my eyes were hurting from all the sun and the snow reflecting on my eyes. And then I had to focus on the road, and when I had the heater on, so with the heater on, my eyes were so dry, so I had to put on my glasses on. But we're about more than halfway there. We're passing Lake Shasta. GPS is telling us that it takes another five more hours to get there. So we're gonna say about halfway there. Cannon, we just want to take him out as much as he can so that he can get some rest. He's actually been a really good dog this whole trip.
He doesn't want to get in the snow.
Oh,
No. It's fucking cold, guys. Let's dip.
He is for sure a California dog. Go in, Cannon. Go play in the snow, buddy. No, he doesn't want to go, babe. He doesn't want to go. I had to put my snow jacket on because we had to keep the windows open for Cannon because it's too fast for him because they got his face outside, but he keeps half of his face out so he can enjoy. Look at him. He's enjoying. Cannon.
Almost there.
Ha ha ha! Cannon, you got a puppy patty, man! We ordered you a puppy patty!
Cannon's first In-N-Out burger, too. Holy shit.
Cannon's your first of everything. Your first long drive. Not really, because you drove to Merced before.
No, this is by far the longest drive. Yeah,
This is your first
my baby.
snow trip.
I love you too.
First in and out. The first time your dad has ever walked you this much.
Oh, don't. Most times in one day.
Those times in one day. This is called magic. Cannon, ¿dónde estás?
I'm not excited.
Cannon
boy.
has his first in and out puppy patty.
I don't want to get in the picture.
Yeah.
It's a little hot. Number 4 is the new one, Donnie. Welcome to Washington.
You guys, we made it home. Okay, walk with your right foot in. Yes, we made it home. You like your new house, Cannon? You guys, we've made it home. Look, babe, they got us some stuff. Aww.
That was nice.
Look, Kenan's so happy. Kenan, you like your new house? Alright guys, we got here. You guys clearly saw the part where we walked in. I'm gonna be really realistic with you guys. I'm actually tired as shit right now. And Brandon went to go pick up some groceries. It's 10 o'clock right now. And we pretty much were driving for like 12 hours because the driving distance was only about, oh shit. Alright, I just fucked this one up, so I got this one away now. No, but the driving distance honestly was only about like 10 hours, but it just felt like it added more time. Kenan's all looking at me like, what the fuck are you talking to? You see him? Personally, I'm like, it's my first time actually being in this big house, and good thing Kenan is here, but I'm like somewhat kind of scared just being here, and like little small things just get me really paranoid. I'm like, what the fuck was that, you know? But I think it's just like normal for you to feel like that when you first come in, because like you're not used to being in a new house. I'm like used to being in my own house. Hopefully he's back on time, because I told him, I'm like, if I beat you to the punch and I'm done cleaning, I'll probably go to sleep. I'm not gonna wait, you know? Kudos to you for staying up late, but I'm like exhausted. I'm like mentally and physically exhausted, so TTYL guys. So today is technically our first day here at our house. We are currently taking Kenan, don't let him take a shit, Brandon, taking Kenan out on a walk. Pretty much dragging Brandon. Look at him, he's gonna drag Brandon. Kenan's very strong, so yeah. So last night we got home kind of late. Brandon went to go return the car from last time I told you guys. He returned the car last night, and I stayed home with Kenan. Literally, I was like scared shitless because I didn't want to be home by myself. And then Brandon came home around like 12:45 from dropping off the car. Whew, I got a breath already. Brandon went to go pick up some food yesterday, so thanks babe for that. You were the trooper last night for doing everything yesterday. We got Brandon cooking up some breakfast over here.
My best with no utensils and that.
Yeah, we accidentally forgot to bring utensils and stuff, but we have this. We should have brought a knife though. This is my beauty room. It's kind of dark in here, but it's good enough space for my beauty room. Want to have all of my filming equipment here, all of my beauty stuff here. That way it's like out of the main bedroom, which is our bedroom. Right, we are at Target, and actually we were at dollar store first. You guys cannot believe how much shit we got for only $55 at the dollar store. Like we pretty much bought all the essentials for the kitchen. Okay, you guys, freaking outfit. Listen, guys, alright? When you move into a new house, you don't have time to do shit, because we've been cleaning this house. We've been cleaning the cabinets. What else have we been doing? We've been doing a lot of shit. We've been shopping for pretty much a lot of stuff.
Get water, trash.
Yeah, got all the utilities done. We got our cars delivered today, like not even like 30 minutes ago, like probably like 10 minutes ago. And then we had some plumbing issues. We had to have the plumber come in and kind of like reset up our heater, because we weren't getting any warm water. It was like completely ice cold. So can you guys imagine without like having to shower for 3 days? I mean, Baby and I showered literally the same day before we left. But can you imagine, guys, having to wash your dishes with cold water? Shouldn't be complaining, but shit, you know, shit's cold out here. And then how funny is that Sarai, she sent us a flower arrangement for our new house. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Sarai. It's like little flower arrangements. Everything all happened at the same time. What does this say? It says, BB and Maritza Cannon, cheers to your new home, new adventures, and new beginnings. Love you guys to the moon and back. XOXO, Sarai. We love you, Sari. The actual moving company comes in tomorrow, tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So we're going to go to Costco and buy some groceries. So by the time the moving company is in, we don't need to take another trip, because the next couple days all we're going to be doing is just unloading everything and just storing everything. So we want to make sure that we're pretty much ready by the time they get here. All the shit that we got, guys, we got to put it all in this car. We're gonna play Tetris in this car. Fit all that in there.
Tetris.
Do you like your new bed?
It's for you, Papa.
Kenny, we got you a new bed. Even though you might be a little bit. Oh, he's so cute. We got a new bed. You're gonna be an indoor dog now. Just our luck, it's raining again, but I'm so glad that the moving company is now here. It's definitely a really huge truck though. Don't mind the mess, guys. Don't mind the mess. A lot of stuff is currently in Brandon's room because that's where we're gonna put all his other stuff. And then our room's a freaking mess right now, so. It's a moving. They brought all boxes. Oh my god, I look like a mess. Yeah, no makeup. When you're moving, you don't wear any makeup. Just let it all hang. Pop, 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 pop. No, hey. Work.
You scared me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since you guys actually seen a clip since I vlogged last time, but it's been a little bit over a month since you guys last saw the last clip, and I'm sure it's a big transition from seeing me with no makeup to all of a sudden seeing me with makeup, but I wanted to end this vlog just by letting you guys know that we are doing really well. Actually, Brandon's outside. Brandon is outside mowing the lawn. And Cannon's over there just chilling. Yeah, but we're slowly but surely getting things done here in the house. As you guys can see from the background, we kind of fixed up a little bit. We have those two chairs because Cannon, when he gets dirty, we haven't got a chance to wash him since last 2 weeks. But tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and wash him. But when he is laying outside, he lays out on my carpet, and it's pretty much like very neutral colors, and I don't want to get it dirty. We are still decorating the house. I've been doing a few YouTube videos, and my beauty room, actually, let me show you my beauty room. It's still a mess. I have a few things coming in, and I'm going to get rid of a lot of things here. So that curtain over there is not going to be there anymore because I use that towel for extra coverage, because you can see from the outside. Now that's a street right there, you can't really see the side, but I do have more of these curtains for me to hang up here and there, and then these boxes are all gonna go away. That's gonna go away. These are for this here, but this is also gonna get situated. I'm still planning on putting a curtain here, and then hanging up a few things here and there, kind of make it more girly and more like mature girly. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I want to close out the video and let you guys know that we are doing good. I love living out here. Unlimited amount of places to eat, you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for joining our journey. Until next time, guys, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and peace.